Hello guys, this is Pearl again and you are most welcome to today's tutorial. For today, I am super and overly excited because I have something great to show you. I'm going to show you some of the websites you can find great design inspiration from, any web design inspiration at all. I'm going to show you some of the websites you can just quickly jump on to sign up or log in to get unique design inspiration. Now, without wasting much time, let's explore to find out which websites will give us all the web design inspiration we need. The first example I have to show you for design inspiration is Behance website. Now, Behance website is a place for digital artists who put up their artworks for you to get design inspiration. Aside that, you can get any design inspiration at all from Behance website, and it's very easy to use. Anything you want, you can just search for it. You can also follow people, post your work, people comment and give you feedback. It's just a unique platform you can use to get more design inspiration. Now, let me show you an example of it and also give you a quick overview of how Behance design works. Right here is an example of the Behance website design inspiration. You can decide to look at images right from here. Any image you would want to look at, just click on it. If anything catches your eye, you can just decide to select it, look more into it, and you can save it as well. Now, let's quickly exit out of this. The next thing you can do is to quickly follow people. You can follow prominent web designers, prominent people who will give you a lot of design inspiration anytime they post their content. Now, you can also click on Discover to discover a lot of design inspiration. So if you're not sure of what you want to do, you can just click on any of these templates, any of them at all, and they will give you great design inspiration. So if something catches your eye, just click on it. You can view it, see the way things are arranged, see the way how colors are applied, see the kind of images that are used, and you can just use this to get more design inspiration. Now, if you are looking for something very specific, all you have to do is to click or type in the search box right here. So let's say if I want something on website, okay, website design, all I have to do is type, and even gives you recommendations. So website web design, just click on it and it gives you a variety of website web design. So anything you want to get inspiration from, all you have to do is to just click on any of them at all and see how the website design is, or what kind of design inspiration it can give you. So when I click on this right here, I can just see how the layout is. I can see the arrangement of the elements. I can see how things are positioned. And this gives me great inspiration. You can also decide to follow the person right from here, send the person a message. It is just a unique platform. You can get any inspiration at all. Behance platform or Behance website platform is very simple to use, no struggle. So feel free to explore the Behance site and I'm sure you'll get unique design inspiration. Let's look at the next thing or the next website you can get great inspiration from. The second design inspiration website I have for you is Pinterest. Now, Pinterest, even though it's common, people unfortunately don't explore and use it enough. It is one of the design hubs that you can get a lot of design inspiration from. Anything you want, just go to Pinterest and you will get it. And Pinterest is it's just integrated with a lot of images, a lot of design inspiration. Anything you're looking for on design, go to Pinterest and you find it. Now, let's quickly look at an example of Pinterest and also give you a quick overview of how Pinterest works as well. Right here on my screen is Pinterest. Okay, so you can decide to sign up, log in, and just explore the Pinterest website. Okay, this is exactly how it looks like. As you can see right here, it has a lot of things. It has a lot of images, a lot of videos. You can just decide to click on something you like, and when you click on something you like, you can leave a comment. So you can just type, I love this, anything you want to do. Okay, Pinterest will allow you to do it. Okay, so I love this, done. Okay, I have commented on I've commented on this particular image I saw. You can decide also to go back and also follow people just like the first website platform, which is Behance. Now, if you're looking for something specific, let's say you're looking for something on music or a website music to find the inspiration from, all you can do is to type in music website design or music website inspiration or layout based on what you're looking for. If it's music website for kids, just type in something and Pinterest is just going to give you a lot. It has just a lot of them. Okay, just explore. I'm sure it has over 500 templates or 500 design inspiration on just one topic, so you can just explore any of them. If something like this is okay with you, if you want to do something around this website, you can quickly open it, look at it, just click further to look more into it. Just open it, just see how the website is being built, and you can save it. So let's go back to our Pinterest page. You can also decide to save this work right from here. So when you click save, it just saves into your saved profile, and you can go back to it at any time at all. So this is just a second example of a design inspiration. Now let's move on to the third website you can also find design inspiration from, and at the end of the day you have a lot of website design inspiration and you have no problem with finding design inspiration from website. Let's go. The third website you can explore for design inspiration is Design Inspiration. Isn't that interesting? So Design Inspiration is one of the websites you can just jump onto to get a lot of design inspiration from. Now, this platform is a very creative platform, and it's also another huge library whereby it allows designers to put together their portfolio or put together their profile and share it with the community online. And one thing I love about Design Inspiration is that everything has been categorized and the layout is very beautiful, and you don't need to struggle when you are looking for a specific design inspiration. And it also gives you a lot of suggestions whereby you can choose from and also get inspiration as well. Let's quickly look at how the Design Inspiration website works. Now, this right here is the Design Inspiration website. This is exactly how it looks like. And one thing I really like about this is that rather than focusing on task-oriented inspiration, this website allows you to create a private store of inspiring website to inspire anybody at all in this community. Now, if you want to explore, all you have to do is to click on this explore button, and it gives you a lot of topics you can search on. So if it's 3D typography, immediately you click on 3D typography. It gives you everything under 3D typography. It gives you all the inspiration under 3D typography. Let's move on to find out more websites you can jump onto to find great web design inspiration. Let's go. The next website to find great design inspiration is One Page website. Now, as the name suggests, the One Page website design inspiration platform is mostly for one pages. So websites that is just built on one page. It gives you a lot of design inspiration from just one page website. Now let's quickly log on to it. But before we do that, one thing I personally love about One Page website is that it also, apart from showing you design inspiration, it also has a learning platform whereby you can read any information or read specific information on some contents that you want to broaden your knowledge on. Now let's log on to it and see how it works and see how it gives us inspiration. Now right here is the One Page Lab website. Now under inspiration, when I click on it, if I'm looking for something on events, game, launching soon, or music related, all I have to do is to click on it, and it gives me a variety of music related one page websites I can choose from to find more inspiration. This is so interesting. And this particular website is also neatly laid out. Nothing is scattered. If you're looking for something, everything is just under each. So when you click on it, it just sends you to a specific place. If it's services, you can get a lot of services design inspiration from here, and you are good to go. Now when you click on templates, it also gives you a variety of templates you can choose from all these are beautiful template you can choose from, and clicking on it alone, scrolling down, you can get a lot of template you can choose from. Some of them you have to buy them, but some of them are free. So this, for instance, is free, so you can just decide to download, or before you even download, you can view more details just to see how it is before you move on to downloading. Now the next one is the learning page. Okay, you can decide to learn something new, okay, just anything you want to do, or if something like this catches your attention and you want to read more about it, 10 reasons to start a membership business using Squarespace. You can just click on it, landing page hosting guide. You can just click on it to read more about landing page. And this is my favorite, one of my favorites on one page website. Just feel free to explore the one page website to get more design inspiration from there, and you'll be amazed on how unique designs or a lot of design inspiration you can get from there to design your one pages. Okay, people, so this brings us to the end of today's tutorial, and I'm grateful if you stayed with me from the beginning to the end. I'm sure by now you already know some of the website you can easily jump onto to get a lot of web design inspiration. If that is so, then you know what to do at this moment. If you've definitely learned something new, then you have to click on the subscribe button right below, so that anytime I post an educative content, you will get the notification to watch that tutorial. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.